Looking for the perfect DeWalt impact driver that delivers both power and control? In this video, we'll explore 5 top-rated models in this year, from high-torque beasts to compact cordless performers. Let's begin with the DeWalt DCF 86020V Max XR impact driver, which is regarded as the most powerful and technologically advanced model in DeWalt's lineup. This driver boasts a maximum torque output of 2,500 inch-pounds, making it ideal for heavy-duty tasks such as lag bolts, structural screws, and long fasteners in treated lumber. It features a 3-speed transmission and a variable trigger that gives you total control over your fastening process. One standout feature is its 9 LED ring light, which provides excellent visibility in low light or deep recess areas. Despite its impressive power, the DCF 860 remains surprisingly compact at just 4.8 inches in length, allowing it to fit comfortably into tight spaces. For professionals who need serious muscle and a reliable form factor, the DCF 860 is a future-proof choice. Moving on to the DeWalt DCF 84520V Max XR, this model has gained popularity as the best value option for serious DIYers and professionals alike. With a torque rating of 1,825 inch-pounds and up to 3,400 RPM, the DCF 845 delivers high-end performance without the price tag of flagship models. Its brushless motor ensures longevity and improved battery efficiency, meaning you get more work done between charges. This driver also features a compact design at just 5.1 inches in length, making it versatile enough for most household and job site tasks. Users love the balance it strikes between power, weight, and affordability, and it remains a go-to pick for general construction and repair work. If you want reliable torque and pro-grade features at a mid-tier price, the DCF 845 is hard to beat. Next on the list is the DeWalt DCF 85020V Max Atomic Impact Driver, a compact yet powerful option that's ideal for users who frequently work in confined or overhead spaces. This model is part of DeWalt's Atomic series, which focuses on maximizing performance within a smaller footprint. Measuring only 4 inches in length, the DCF 850 still manages to deliver up to 1,700 inch-pounds of torque, more than enough for cabinetry, framing, and electrical box installation. It also features 3 speed modes and a precision drive setting that prevents overdriving or stripping screws. The DCF 850 is particularly well suited for HVAC technicians, electricians, and finish carpenters who need agility without sacrificing performance. If you're working on lighter-duty tasks or prefer a smaller voltage platform, the DeWalt DCF 80112V Max Brushless Impact Driver is a fantastic choice. This tool is extremely lightweight and easy to maneuver, making it great for working overhead or in awkward positions. Despite its small stature, it still delivers an impressive 1,450 inch-pounds of torque, more than enough for assembling furniture, installing cabinets, or securing drywall anchors. It also includes precision drive control and a brushless motor for greater energy efficiency. At just over 5 inches in length and under 2 pounds in weight, the DCF 801 is perfect for users who prioritize comfort and control over brute strength. It's particularly popular among electricians and technicians who need reliable performance without the bulk. Finally, we have the DeWalt DCF 87020V Max Hydraulic Impact Driver, which stands out for its low-noise operation and unique drive mechanism. Unlike conventional impact drivers, the DCF 870 uses hydraulic oil to absorb some of the noise and vibration typically associated with impact tools. This results in significantly quieter performance, around 92 decibel, making it ideal for indoor use or job sites with noise restrictions. While its torque output is lower at around 500 inch-pounds, the DCF 870 still provides more than enough force for fastening tasks like assembling metal studs, installing light fixtures, or driving screws into softwood. This model is favored by contractors who often work in occupied spaces, such as homes, hospitals, and schools, where maintaining a low noise profile is critical. Thanks for watching. If this helped you find the right DeWalt impact driver, be sure to subscribe for more tool reviews and buyer guides tailored to both professionals and DIYers.